perspective. ठीक है, AI is the topic today. I'll share my insights, my learnings. The main thing that I'll talk about today is changes in workplaces after AI. So it's been around 5 years that I am in the tech industry full time, and after this AI wave came in, काफी सारे changes हो रहे हैं, right? And I'll take you through all those changes. We'll talk about a lot of new things that are coming in the industry, and AI का कैसा impact है अपनी industry पर, वो सब कुछ हम cover कर रहे होंगे. And we'll cover everything that you need to know about AI revolution. So we all are ready, yeah? Okay, I can't hear your voice. We all are ready, yes? Awesome, perfect, perfect. So moving on, this is the agenda of today's session. We will first discuss why this topic is important for you, the changes that AI has brought in our industry, उस पर भी हम discussion कर रहे होंगे, and why this topic is important for each one of us. Then moving on, this is my quick introduction. She already gave a lovely introduction. I'm a software engineer, educator, and a content creator. So I belong to 3 different industries: the software industry, the content industry, and education industry. Apart from that, I have my own agency as well. And like you, I was a curious engineering student way back in college. I have been into multiple things, be it hackathons, open source, and a plenty of other those things, right? So आज आते हैं अपने मेन एजेंडा पर, राइट? I'll take you through these important stats. अब काफी ध्यान से आप देखना, these are some important facts जो कि recent studies में पता चले हैं. So AI adoption is expected to add 15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030. Do you see the number? This is huge, right? And 47% of US jobs are at risk of AI automation. Almost half of the jobs, right? They are at the risk of AI automation. But there are a lot of ifs and buts in these research reports, जिसके बारे में मैं आपके साथ अभी डिस्कस कर रही होंगी. And obviously, like rapid rise in AI-based tools is reshaping all the industries. कोई भी इंडस्ट्री हो, like the industries in which I am in, all the 3 industries are heavily affected because of AI. चाहे content industry हो, education हो या software, all are heavily affected, right? And we can see like AI is in all spheres of our life. Moving on, we have AI is taking over a lot of jobs in content industry specifically, right? If I talk about my agency which I am running, right? So earlier we had around like 10 plus content writers in my team, right? But now the number has reduced rapidly because we all know how easy ChatGPT has made things, right? We all use these AI tools to make things easy for us. But the thing is, should we be scared कि AI आ गया है तो हमारी जॉब का क्या? Let me explain this to you. If right now, currently as a software engineer, the work that I do in my team, like let's say we are launching a new product, right? We are launching a new software, or maybe in the current software we are working on some new feature, right? So from the starting, there are a bunch of steps involved. Number 1 is we'll have meetings with product managers where we will exactly decide क्या features कैसे होने चाहिए, क्या workflow होना चाहिए, right? And then we have the design doc preparation वाला step, approvals on design doc, right? And then the actual coding phase begins, and उसके बाद like documentation, QA testing, इसके बीच में a lot of small steps are also there, right? So at the present, जितने भी AI tools हैं market में, I have tried and tested almost all of them. Currently, none of those AI tool can completely replace a software engineer. I mean, I myself use AI and I use it to become more productive, to be better in my job. जो mundane, जो repetitive tasks थे, boring tasks थे, I have automated those tasks with AI tools, but AI has not completely taken over all the responsibilities which I do. So in our industry, specifically tech industry, the industry will be dominated by those developers, those engineers who upskill themselves, who are well aware of the changes which is happening in the industry. And this is, to be honest, not the first time that something new has come up. Hamari industry, the tech industry is such कि every now and then new changes, न्यू रिलीजेस, अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग. नए नए प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस आते हैं, फ्रेमवर्क्स आते हैं, जो पुरानी चीज़ें हैं वो डेप्रिकेट हो जाती हैं, राइट. सो दिस इज़ नॉट अ न्यू थिंग फॉर अस. एंड इन द टेक इंडस्ट्री वी आर, इट इज़ सेड दैट आवर प्रोफेशन इज सच दैट वी आर 57% टाइम्स लर्निंग न्यू थिंग्स. हम हमेशा नई नई चीज़ें सीख रहे होते हैं. तो अगर जो AI का एक वेव आया है, इफ़ वी लर्न हाउ टू मेक मोस्ट आउट ऑफ इट, then we will be the skilled and the in demand developers. तो AI से बिल्कुल घबराना नहीं है. It is somewhere similar to what we saw in the past. अगर हम फार्मिंग एग्रीकल्चर इंडस्ट्री की बात करें तो when न्यू मशीनरीज, न्यू इन्वेंशंस, केमिकल्स, वो सारी चीज़ें आई थी तो बहुत ज़्यादा र्यूमर्स थे कि भाई फार्मर्स की तो अब जॉब ही चली गई, they will be jobless, वो क्या करेंगे, कैसे करेंगे. But we know the reality. They are using those machineries to fasten the process, to fasten the farming process, right? And उसके बाद जब बैंकिंग, जहाँ पर भी कैलकुलेशंस इन्वॉल्व थे, अगर हम उस इंडस्ट्री की बात करें, जब कैलकुलेटर आया था तो एवरीवन वाज लाइक बैंकर्स, जो भी कैलकुलेशन रिलेटेड जॉब है वो सारी चली जाएंगी. बट वी नो कि कैलकुलेटर का यूज़ हम करते हैं टू सेव आवर टाइम, राइट, टू डू थिंग्स एफिशिएंटली. इन द सेम वे AI is here to help you, not to replace you. And चीज़ों को अगर आप ध्यान से देखो कि कौन सी इंडस्ट्री किस तरीके से अफेक्टेड है, you will get to know a lot about this revolution, right? And moving on, this is again a very important research done by Accenture. Companies using AI, they reported a 40% increase in productivity compared to those not adopting it. And that's why most of the organizations, most of the companies, they are heavily spending in AI skill training for their employees, right? So I think this is high time that जिस भी इंडस्ट्री में हम हैं, हमें सीखना चाहिए कि उस इंडस्ट्री में हम AI को कैसे इनकॉर्पोरेट करें एंड अपने टास्क को किस तरीके से हम इजी और बेटर कर सकते हैं. हाउ कैन वी सेव टाइम एंड बिकम मोर प्रोडक्टिव, राइट? Moving on, I'm not sure if you know this interesting data, but अगर Netflix की बात करें तो over 37% of Netflix revenue that comes from one feature, and that is AI driven recommendation. आपने देखा होगा अगर आप Netflix पे सीरीज देखते हैं, let's say जिस भी कैटेगरी का आप देख रहे हैं सीरीज, भी लाइक कॉमिक सॉर्ट ऑफ देख रहे हैं, तो उसी टाइप के आपको और भी सीरीज रिकमेंड हो रहे हैं. सो जस्ट विद दिस AI ड्रिवन फीचर दे आर मेकिंग लाइक 37% of their revenue that come from just this feature, right? So we can see how significant impact AI is making. And if we talk about autonomous industry as well, then it is said that autonomous vehicles which are powered by AI, they could reduce road accidents by 90%, which is again a huge number, right? And by now we know that AI is important. It is not something that we can ignore. कोई सी भी इंडस्ट्री की आप बात कर लो, autonomous agriculture, software, tech, any industry, AI is today everywhere, right? And moving on, now I'll take you through the changes that AI has brought in the industry, okay, in the workplaces. So Juniper Research, they said this, that AI chatbots are now handling 80% of customer queries and saving businesses over 7. Look at the number. This is very important. I mean, pehle companies, they used to hire people who can manage queries, जो customer calls ले सकें, customer की queries को handle कर सकें. But now 80%, this is like a huge number, right? 80% of such jobs are taken over by AI. But हमें ये देखना होगा कि अगर this industry is affected, customer sales queries वाली industry is affected, what those people are doing. I'm pretty sure उस industry में भी people who are upskilling themselves, they know कि अब हमें next कहाँ जाना चाहिए, right? So AI is not just taking jobs. I'll explain you. Next, please. So, like AI, as per a recent research, I'll show you that screenshot and data as well. A lot of new jobs are also coming in. It's not that it's just cutting in jobs. Like a new profile that came up after this AI wave is prompt engineering, right? So if some industries heavily affected, if jobs are getting cut or downsizing, as you can see here, if downsizing is happening, you can see this screenshot that a lot of companies, we saw that recession was there, right? After COVID, a lot of companies were doing layoffs and everything, but we were slowly recovering from recession. But AI wave आने के बाद, like a lot of companies have understood कि we can do a lot without hiring people because AI is there to do things, right? And that's what I also did in my agency. काफी सारे ऐसे टास्क थे जिसके लिए एक पर्सन हायर करना was not important. AI easily वो चीजें कर देता था, right? तो अगर आप उस इंडस्ट्री में हैं जो कि easily replaceable है AI के थ्रू, you should upskill yourself. You should learn कि ऐसी कौन से हम टास्क स्किल सीखें जिससे कि हम irreplaceable bane, right? And in the tech, in the software industry, if you are a developer who understand things well, जिसे पता है कि you are paid for solving problems for your thinking, then you will definitely be irreplaceable, right? Because जो repetitive task like simple website बनाना HTML CSS use करके, that can easily be done with AI, right? Moving on, now I'll take you कि AI का क्या impact है हमारे और आपके life में, right? So, yeah, next please. By 2025, this year, 85 million jobs may be replaced by AI. This is the research by WEF, a known organization. But as I said earlier, a lot of 97 million new roles will emerge. So हमें ये देखना है कि कौन सी ऐसी स्किल्स हम सीखें दैट द न्यू जॉब्स विच आर कमिंग इन किसी भी इंडस्ट्री में हम उसके लिए फिट इन हो सकें. और ये चीज़ हमेशा होती है वेन एवर देयर इज सम वेव, बीट AI आ रहा है या फिर एनी थिंग इज कमिंग इन, टेक इंडस्ट्री हो गई या एजुकेशन, किसी भी इंडस्ट्री में हमेशा न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ भी आती हैं, राइट? सो वी हैव टू स्टे upskilled, we have to stay relevant. उसके लिए हमें खुद पर काम करते रहना होगा, right? And yeah, that's what I said, stay updated, and that's how you will stay relevant in whichever industry you are in. And this is again very interesting stat by LinkedIn. Employees who embrace AI tools, who know how to use AI efficiently, their salaries are 20% higher than a normal developer, right? So I think it's very important कि जो भी चीज़ें हमारी इंडस्ट्री में आ रही हैं हम उसको समझें और उससे सीखें कैसे करंट जो कन्वेंशनल मेथड है मे बी कोड लिखने का और वट एवर द जॉब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज आर, उस कन्वेंशनल मेथड में हम AI को कैसे इनकॉपरेट करें. अ क्विक एग्जांपल इज आई हैव बीन कोर एंड्रॉयड डेवलपर, लाइक आई हैव बीन इनटू दैट. आई यूज्ड टू यूज जावा, देन कॉटलिन आया. जावा ऑलमोस्ट अब नहीं यूज होता एंड्रॉयड डेवलपमेंट में. एंड देन मशीन लर्निंग को कैसे इंटीग्रेट कर सकते हैं एप्स में, वो सीखा. अभी वी आर लर्निंग कि AI को कैसे इंटीग्रेट कर सकते हैं एप्स में, राइट? सो दिस इज पार्ट ऑफ द प्रोसेस. ये इंडस्ट्री में हमेशा होता आया है, हमें नई नई चीज़ें सीखती रहनी चाहिए.